Hello students, in today's video we are going to solve another example on line graphs. Show that two graphs LK3 and LK13 are isomorphic. First we have to draw line graphs. LK3 means line graph of K3 and LK13 means line graph of K13. First we will draw K3, K13 and then line graphs of both these graphs. So what is K3? K3 is nothing but complete graph on 3 vertices. So this is K3, that is complete graph on 3 vertices, and K13 means complete bipartite graph in which first part contains one vertex. So this first part contains one vertex and another part contains 3 vertices. So this graph is K13. We have to prove line graph of K3 and line graph of K13 are isomorphic graphs. So first we will draw line graph of K3, then line graph of K13. I am writing here edges E1, E2, E3 and here F1, F2, F3. How to draw line graph? When we draw line graph of graph G, edges of graph G becomes vertices in L of G. So here E1, E2, E3, three edges are present in K3. Therefore, three vertices E1, E2, E3 will be present in L of K3. So E1 and E2, these two edges have common vertex. So E1 and E2, there will be edge between E1 E2. There will be edge between E1 E3 and there will be edge between E2 E3. So this is LK3, that is line graph of K3. Now to draw line graph of K13. So how many edges are there in K13? F1, F2, F3, that means 3 edges. So LK13 will have 3 vertices F1, F2, F3. Now F1 and F2 are adjacent edges. So F1 and F2 are adjacent vertices in LK13. F1, F3 are adjacent edges and F2, F3 are adjacent edges. So these two are adjacent vertices in LK13. So if you observe, we have LK3 and LK13 which are nothing but same graphs. So clearly we can conclude, LK3 isomorphic to LK13. So we will solve another example in our next video. Take screenshot of this.